Have you ever noticed how, in most classrooms, teachers talk and students listen? Then, at home, students struggle through homework all by themselves? Well, what if we flipped that idea completely? Welcome to the flipped classroom teaching method, where learning doesn't start in the classroom, but before it. The flipped classroom is a teaching approach where students first explore new content at home, usually through videos, readings, or podcasts, and then use class time for deeper discussions, group projects, and problem solving. In simple words, it's like homework and classwork have swapped places. Here's how it works. Before class, students watch short video lectures or review materials at home. During class, instead of passively listening, they work together on exercises, projects, or case studies. After class, they reflect, apply, and even create their own learning content. In this model, the teacher becomes more of a facilitator or coach, guiding students instead of just delivering lectures. Flipped classroom rests on a few powerful ideas. Active learning. Students learn by doing, discussing, and applying, not just listening. Student-centered. Every learner moves at their own pace and takes responsibility for their progress. Technology integration. Teachers use videos, online quizzes, and discussion forums to enhance learning. Collaboration. Class time focuses on teamwork, creativity, and solving real-world problems. For example, instead of spending 40 minutes explaining photosynthesis in class, the teacher records a short 10-minute video for students to watch at home. Next day, in class, students conduct an experiment with plants, discussing and applying what they learned. This is the essence of the flipped classroom. Students learn by doing, not just by listening. So, what makes this method so effective? Let's flip through the benefits. Better understanding. Students review lessons at their own pace, pausing and replaying videos anytime. Active participation. Class time becomes lively, filled with discussions and teamwork. Personalized support. Teachers can focus on students who need extra help. Improved engagement. Learning becomes interactive, not just listening to lectures. Real-world skills. Collaboration, communication, and problem solving, all are practiced in class. In short, it transforms the classroom into a learning lab, where students don't just learn the what, but the how and why. Of course, flipping isn't always easy. Digital divide. Not every student has internet access or devices at home. Time for teachers. Creating quality videos takes planning and effort. Student discipline. Some students might skip pre-class learning. But, with creativity and support, teachers can overcome these barriers by using offline resources, shorter videos, and regular check-ins. Thinking about trying the flipped classroom in your teaching? Here's how to start. Start small. Flip just one lesson at first. Create short, focused videos. Encourage student feedback. Remember, it's not about technology. It's about transforming how students engage with learning. In the future, flipped classrooms will blend with AI tools, gamified learning, and virtual collaboration, making education more flexible and student-driven than ever. The classroom of tomorrow is already here. It's just flipped. So, what do you think? Is the flipped classroom the future of teaching and learning? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Education Studio for more learning insight. Thanks for watching.